Have you ever wondered why some stocks skyrocket while others crash during big economic shifts? Like why IT stocks thrive when the rupee falls but banking stocks shine during rate hikes? Stick around because today we are breaking down how economic trends shape the stock market and more importantly, how you can use this knowledge to make smarter investments. Welcome back to Trade with AI, your go-to channel for simplifying the world of stocks and investing. I am Shraddha Takle and today we are diving into a topic that impacts each and every investor. That is how economic trends and industry movements shape the stock market. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just getting started, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any actionable insights. Think of the economy as a giant engine and the stock markets as its fuel gauge. Economic trends like GDP growth, inflation, or interest rates are what makes that engine hum or sputter. These trends directly impact stock prices, and understanding them can be a game changer. You might be thinking how it will matter to you. Well, it can help you make better decisions for your investment portfolio. First things first, let's understand which things are making those crazy shifts in the market. I mean, economic factors. So let's start with GDP, that is gross domestic product. It's like the country's report card. When the GDP grows, companies earn more and stock markets often soar. For example, in 2021, India's GDP grew by 8.7% and the Nifty 50 rose by 22%. IT and FMCG stocks were the stars of the show. But when GDP shrinks, like during COVID, markets turn bearish. It's a reminder that economic health and stock performance go hand in hand. Next, inflation and interest rate. Inflation is like a sneaky thief that eats into your money's value. To fight it, central banks raise interest rate. But here is the catch. Higher rate makes borrowing expensive, which hurts companies in sectors like real estate and manufacturing. However, banks often thrive in this scenario. Why? Because higher rates means they can earn more from loans. So when inflation is high, banking stocks can be your silver lining. And then we have exchange rates. When the rupee weakens against the dollar, sectors like IT and pharma benefit because they earn in dollars. For instance, in 2023, when the rupee hit 83.30 rupees to the dollar, IT giants like TCS and Infosys reported recorded revenues. So far, we have explored how the economy impacts the stock market at large. But here is where it gets exciting. Let's zoom in on specific industries because just like a Bollywood movie, every industry plays a unique role in this blockbuster called stock market. Whether it's IT, pharma, energy or FMCG, each sector has its own twist, turns and surprises. So ready? Let's roll. Let's start with the IT, our modern day hero. Think of IT as the Shah Rukh Khan of the industries, global, versatile and always in demand. The rise of AI, cloud computing and digital transformation has made this tech sector unstoppable. For example, companies like TCS and Infosys have seen a surge in revenue thanks to the rupee depreciating and global demand for cloud services. Even global giants like Accenture reported a 24% revenue jump due to their focus on digital services. Keep an eye on trends like AI automation, global tech spending. These are the growth engines driving IT stocks forward. Now, on to pharma, the industry that became the savior during the pandemic. It's like the unsung hero who steps up when the chips are down. Take Pfizer, for example. Their COVID 19 vaccine not only saved lives but also boosted their revenue significantly. Similarly, Indian companies like Dr. Reddy's Laboratories benefited from the global demand for generics and vaccines. Focus on companies investing in research or expanding their presence in global markets. The pharma sector often thrives when the health crisis or innovation takes center stage. Energy is like a battle between the old guard and the new kids on the block. On one side, you got the traditional players like Oil and Natural Gas Corporation and Coal India, who still dominate. On the other, renewable energy is emerging as the rising star. For instance, Adani Green Energy is capitalizing on India's renewable energy push, while traditional oil and gas companies struggle with global price volatility. Long-term investors might want to bet on renewable energy, but traditional energy stocks can still deliver a short-term gains during global oil price spikes. Finally, let's talk about FMCG, fast-moving consumer goods. This sector is like the family favorite in a Bollywood movie. Reliable, steady, and always there for you. Even during economic slowdowns, FMCG stocks like Hindustan Unilever and Nestle remain strong because people still need essentials like toothpaste, snacks, and detergents. E-commerce has given this sector an extra boost. For instance, FMCG sales through online platforms grew by over 36% last year. FMCG stocks are great for stability in your portfolio. Look for companies with strong e-commerce strategies and brand loyalty. We just talked about industries shaping the market. Now let's take a closer look at two important industries, that is IT and banking. These sectors not only dominate the Indian stock market but also offer unique opportunities for investors like you. Let's start with IT. Think of this sector as the agile startup that became a global giant. The pandemic was a turning point. It forced businesses worldwide to embrace remote work, digital payments, and cloud services. Let's take example of Infosys and TCS again. They reported significant growth due to increased global outsourcing. Even mid-cap IT companies like Mindtree have jumped upon the growth bandwagon. We will have a look at strengths of IT sector. First is high profit margins. Second, dollar revenue boost. A weak rupee benefits Indian IT. Third, strong global demand for digital services. Whereas challenges of this sector are heavy dependence on the US and European markets, vulnerability to global recession or tech slowdowns. So, focus on IT stocks with diversified portfolios, especially those investing in emerging technologies like AI and blockchain. Now, let's talk about banking. It's the sector that powers the economy by funding growth, managing savings, and keeping the financial wheels turning. Post pandemic, Indian banks have seen a resurgence. Why? Lower non performing assets, that is NPAs, better credit growth, and increasing adoption of digital banking. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and SBI are some of the top performers in this space. Strengths of banking sector are consistent demand for loans and financial services, strong recovery in NPAs, and high dividends for long-term investors. But have challenges like they are sensitive to interest rate changes and are impacted by macroeconomic instability like inflation. So, look for banks with a strong retail lending portfolio and robust digital transformation strategies. Here is the $1,000,000 question. What to choose, IT or banking? IT is perfect for growth focused investors. If you believe in long term digital transformation, this is your bet. And banking is a great choice for stability and dividends. If you are looking for consistent returns and sector tied to India's economic growth, banking is your pick. But why to choose? A balanced portfolio with exposure to both can give you the best of both worlds. We have walked through the big players, trends, and sectors. Now let's zoom out and focus on what this all means for you as an investor. Whether you're seasoned pro or just getting started, these insights can help you fine tune your strategy to take your portfolio to the next level. Think of your investment like a mix of long-term growth and short-term gains. Long-term is like planting a tree, steady and safe, whereas short-term is more like a roller coaster, exciting but risky. Diversify between both for a balanced approach. Now you must have understand that diversification is key. Just like you wouldn't wear the same clothes every day, don't put all of your investment in one place. Spread across sectors like IT, banking and FMCG to reduce the risk. Global events affect the Indian market. For example, changes in the US or oil prices can impact us here. Stay informed to anticipate potential risks and opportunities. Now, just like fitness, your portfolio needs regular checkups. Rebalance quarterly based on sector performance to stay on track. All of these insights are great, but how do you make the right moves in real time? Well, that's where alphashots.ai comes in. With AI powered tools, you can track trends, analyze data, and make smarter investment decisions without making a sweat. Check out alphashots.ai through the link in the description below. Get started with the smarter investing today. Alright, that's a wrap on today's deep dive into economic trends and their impact on stocks. I hope you now feel more confident in understanding how these trends can affect your portfolio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. And hey, hit that bell icon so you never miss out on future videos. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, your financial journey is all about making smarter decisions every day. See you in the next video.